Today I cook something special for me. It's my favorite dish. It's the food that I can eat day and night, night and day, every day. Sautéed eggplant with tomatoes. Additional ingredients are 1 large onion, 2 large carrots, 5 tomatoes, garlic, and olive oil. Step 1, I usually peel everything off: eggplant, carrots, onions, so everything is ready to be sliced. Eggplant will be cut into the cubes, so I cut in half. Now I cut in that half in another half. 4 to 5 horizontal cuts and cubes are ready. Next step is to grate carrots. The onion should be sliced small. I tried my best, as small as I could. For this dish, I'm using an avocado oil. Olive oil is great too. First step here, let's add some onion and carrots and saute them together for 5 minutes. Time for the eggplants to go in. Mixing thoroughly everything together. An important part to have the lid on. Somewhere in the middle I will add more oil to let the eggplants absorb the oil and become more juicy. While eggplant is cooking, I'm gonna quickly slice down the tomatoes and wait until the eggplants will be 90% ready, so I can add tomatoes in. After adding tomatoes into the eggplants, I will cook everything together for another 10 minutes. And after that, important part is to open the lid and let the water evaporate, so there is no liquid left in the bottom of the pan. Mincing garlic and after making sure there is no water left in the pan, I will add garlic and cook it through for another minute. That's the condition we want to achieve. Garlic in. 1 more minute and eggplants are ready. I just threw a piece of bread into a toaster and I have a fresh crunchy Ezekiel bread with sautéed eggplant and tomatoes.